Some other accomplishments. Students from Mr. Smith's FTS class recently did an experiment with exploding watermelons. Here's Haley Sharp with the story.
Audio Jungle.
We're going to be putting all this data into a scatter plot, see if we can find if it's a linear function or not.
We also wanted to find out how many rubber bands it would take for the watermelon to explode, so it was weight factored in and all of that.
We're trying to find if there's a relation between how many rubber bands and how big the watermelon is and how much it would take to blow it up.
We just wanted to gather data and see how it correlates with each other and how many rubber bands it would take comparing to the weight.
Can you describe what the students are doing?
So what we're trying to look at here is we're trying to look at scatter plots and see if there's a relationship between the weight, the circumference, and we're trying to predict how many rubber bands you need in order to make the watermelon explode.
Audio Jungle.
What are the warning signs when a watermelon is about to explode?
So the major warning sign is when it starts to ooze a little bit or when it starts to crack. Usually that's your best indicator that you need to kind of watch out and step back.
Audio Jungle.
What is the point of this experiment?
The point of this was to see if we can approximate the data, the scatter plot, with a linear function. That way we can predict how many rubber bands it's going to be depending on the weight or the circumference or the thickness of the rind.
Audio Jungle.